Good morning. The stocks in focus. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has imposed a penalty of Rs 110 million on Reliance Petro Investments, a subsidiary of the Reliance Industries Limited, in an insider trading case. TVS Motor has planned a capital expenditure of Rs 1.75 billion for 2013-2014, up from Rs 1 billion the previous year. The investment will support two launches. The first unit of GMR Kamalanga Energy Limited, having 350 megawatt capacity, has started supplying power to the state-run Power Trade Gridco Limited. Stepping up their drive to recover dues from the ailing Kingfisher Airlines, lenders to the airline invoked personal guarantees issued by Vijay Mallya, the promoter of the airline. ACC Limited has reported almost 5% savings in operation cost at its Tikaria plant in Amethi following implementation of radio frequency and GPS-based logistic management. Indian Oil Corporation said it has raised Rs 17 billion through a domestic bond issue at a new benchmark low interest rate of 8.14%. Tata Capital has raised $600 million for a private equity fund to invest in India in what could be one of the largest debuts by a private equity fund targeting India. Apollo Tyres said it had opened a sales office in Bangkok, making it the hub for Association of Southeast Asian Nations operations. Jet Airways has sought the approval of the Foreign Investment Promotion Board to sell 24% stake in the company to Gulf carrier Etihad Airways. Etihad Airways has formally approached the Competition Commission of India to seek its nod for its acquisition of 24% stake in Jet Airways. The deal is valued at Rs 20.54 billion. Essar Steel Limited has appealed to the court to appoint an arbitrator in its dispute with the country's largest general insurance company. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.